Hello. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add and customize the title and subtitle on your homepage. On the left panel, click on Home. Then select Typography. The customization panel will open on the right. Step 1. Upload your brand font optional. If you want to use your brand font, click Upload Font. Supported formats include TTF, OTF, and WOFF. You can reuse it across your entire menu. Step 2. Add a title. Click on the title block. Type the text you want to display. Now customize your title. Choose a font from the list. Adjust the weight. Change the size using the slider. Set the alignment, left, center, or right. Select a color from the palette, or paste your brand color code. Adjust letter spacing and line height. You can also change text opacity. To add more style, enable shadow. You can customize the shadow position, color, and blur level. Step 3. Add a subtitle. Click on the subtitle block. Type your text. Use the same customization options to style it. If you want to reset your design, click the green Reset button. Your homepage title and subtitle are now ready. In the next tutorial, we'll configure the Call to Action button.